In this session we are going to look at what is a block. We can create custom blocks. Blocks are information packages, so to speak, and put it in the places where you want to put. Say our company manager announced that everybody get a pay rise from this month. Everybody like pay rises, and we want to create a block and put it on our company website on the home page, say. So how do we do that? To do that, let's go structure, block layout, custom block library. So we are going to create a custom block for that announcement. Add custom block. I have some text here. I copy that. Right, the text says the title is Pay Rise for All. Pay rise for all. And the dear employees, all of you worked hard to make company success, and the management decided to give you a pay rise 20% from this month. Oh, that's very good. Let's add an image. Choose file, and let's give the dollar sign there. Open. Let us align that, say, in the center. Yeah, this time we can add a caption. See what it is. Save. So that's the caption, and that is the text. We don't worry about creating a new version at the moment. At the moment, just leave it. Save. This is a new block created. Now we need to add this block on our page. So go back to the site, decide where you want to put. This is our site front page. We want it, say, we want to put it in some region. Remember, this is the header region. This is sidebar 1. This is content region. This is on the right is sidebar 2. This is the footer region. All right, for a start, let us put that on the sidebar 2, that is over here on your right. Go to structure, block layout, and look for sidebar 2. This is sidebar 1, sidebar 2, and place the block. So that block is here. Pay rise for all. Place that block. So that is the title, and display the title. Yes, this is saying where you want it. At the moment, we'll look into that later, and which page specifically you want it, and different roles who want to see it. We'll discuss that later. And let's save that box as it is. Save it. So green means that is saved, and we can go back to the site and have a look. There, this is the block. Manage just says pay raise for all, and this message and the dollar sign. It's a good sign, isn't it? Now, by the way, these things are you can change quick edit. You can just change whatever you want. At the moment, I'm not changing. So that is good. So this is how you create a block. We created a block and put it in the front page. Now, no matter which page you visit, you always see this on your right side. It is possible that maybe you don't want to see that. You only want to see that on the front page, and every other page you don't want to see that. If you want to control like that, go back to structure, block layout, look for sidebar 2, pay rise configure. Then see where you want it. Say for example pages. So this is where you put which page you want it. There is some helpful information. If you want only on the front page, it says front. So you can specify path and wildcard, so all the pages in that path can see. But for us, we want only in the front page. So we put that is what the advice here. And save block. The green means it is now saved. Go back to the site. Now you see Paris in the front page as usual, but if you visit any other page, you don't see that. You only see on the front page. Okay, this is the site front page. Another thing is, say this is a company website and it's good everybody see it, but you don't want the general public to see it. Only certain people in your company, or the employees, or certain people in a division need to see the message. So to control that, you go back there, block layout, and sidebar second, configure. So this time you're restricting to certain roles. Say for example, only authenticated users see that, like say the employees. Obviously we can create many different groups and roles in the people section. You can have more refined controls, who to see and all that. Also you can also control where you want these pages to see, whether you want to see on the pages or article or any other content tab you create later on. So you can control that too. So save the page. So that means only authenticated users can see it. Okay, save it. Now go back to the site. It's only visible in the front page, and because I'm now logged in, I can see it. And if I don't logged in, say I go to this page, on this browser I'm not logged in. So if you refresh that, I don't see it because I'm not an authenticated user, because we controlled it. So in this session we learned about how to create custom blocks and how to put in the place you want, and also how to control who to see and where to see the block. Right, thank you.